Welcome back, guys. It's Trader Nixon right here, and this is how to trade from beginner to pro. This is episode 11. Episode 11. And episode 11, what we are going to be talking about is, market orders. So, or other types in the market. So, when it comes to the Forex market, we have so many kinds or types of market orders or orders, right? So we have the market order as number one, where you place buy or sell and it goes through directly. You'll see, the trade open right in front of your eyes. And then we have what we call pending orders. And so under the pending orders, we have some kind of orders that you can also make regards to what buy and sell. Now, let's go on to my slide. We have buy limit as number one on pending orders. So pending orders, basically, before I even talk about buy limit, pending orders basically means you want to buy at a particular price, but that price is not yet or market is not yet at that particular price that you want to buy or sell. It's just basically what it means. That is in regards to pending orders. So it's pending, like the word goes, pending. So it means to say maybe current price of the market is $1. That's just an example, right? And you want to buy at 50 cents. So as price or current market price is not at 50 cents, and you also don't want to miss the trade when it comes to your preferred price, which is 50 cents, you set a pending order, right? So the pending order will definitely be set to that particular price where you want market to come to for you to execute a buy or a sell trade. So under pending orders, we have buy limit. So what is it when we say buy limit? Buy limit is basically you set a limit to a particular price level where the current market price has to move back to hit or trigger before it goes back up. So let me just explain this to you. Buy limit in another level of explanation means that currently where you are supposed to actually buy, you have missed that signal. So market is already buying and it has gone past the preferred price that you would have bought it, right? And so you have to set a buy limit. So buy limit means, okay, market is currently buying at this level. I want it to retrace to a particular level down there where my price will be triggered before the buys will resume again. And so this is what it means. Listen, what it actually means is that market is buying all right, but you want a retracement or a pullback to happen in the market. So that's definitely going to be a sell now. So it's going to be a short sell, that will come all the way down to trigger that level or that price where you want to start buying by yourself. Okay, so that particular pending order will be there. It will be pending. So unless market or current market price moves from its current state to that particular level to trigger it, you will never be in a trade. The trade will never open, right? So that is buy limit. And then we have buy stop. So buy stop basically means that now market is at a particular, you see, my explanation are definitely going to be deeper explanation because it's not going to be a textbook knowledge where I just read it to you. That's not what I want to do. So I'm going to give you practical explanations, right? So buy stop is the opposite of buy limits. So buy stop is you still want to buy, but this particular time market is very low to a point where you don't feel comfortable buying there, but you want to set a pending order, which is a buy order, that will be above current market price. So if, assuming, you see, we have an analogy in trading that we say buy low and sell high. But you can feel some points that market is so selling and it's so low that you want to buy, but you are afraid to buy. You want to buy, but you are not comfortable to buy. So you want market to move from that level, price level that it is, to another level above that current level for you to be very comfortable to buy now. And so you can, without feeling, what will actually help you is to set what? A pending order, which is what? A buy stop. So you set an order above current market price for buys, right? So the setup is definitely a buy trade, but you are just waiting for price to go a little bit above its current level to trigger the stops that you'll be setting, the price level at which you feel comfortable that, okay, this is where I want to take my buys, right? So that is with buy limit and what? Buy stop. Now let's go to sell limit. So sell limit is when market is in a downtrend and you want to sell, but current market price is too high. That is to say, the market has so much dropped that you want it to retrace a little bit back upwards to a certain price level where you feel, okay, this pullback is enough for me to what? Sell now. So that's what we call a sell limit. So definitely the market is selling, but it is selling too low that you don't feel comfortable selling at that point, even though it's selling. So your sell limit is a price order or a pending order whereby you want the market to pull back from its current level of sales to a bit of a lower high, whereby you want to buy at this particular point and whereby you want to sell at this particular point. So it's definitely, you know that a trend is a downtrend, but you are waiting. So you set your orders, your pending order of the sell limit at a particular lower high for the price to move from its current level to that high to trigger your, sell limit before the, sell trend resumes. Basically, bro. Basically. Now let's go to sell stop. So sell stop is opposite of sell limit. Sell stop means that you definitely know that this is going to sell. It is selling. But you find yourself to see price at a level where it is price is, currently retracing. Even though it's selling, the original trend of the market is sells, but it is retracing, which means there are some, pullbacks and buy. Okay, so you picture that buy, you speculate that buy, and then after that buy ends and now the sell trends resume, you set a particular level order, which is a sell stop. So you now want the sells that are coming to trigger that particular stop order that we have set. So let me go to another, pending order that has been overlooked, which is what we call trailing stop. So trailing stop is now you have opened a trade, whether by buy limit, sell stop, buy stop, or even market order, which is that one that you just go into the market and you click on buy or sell directly. Now, what trailing stop does is that it helps you to, what do you say? What do you call this? It helps you to, during an open trade, set your stop loss, break even, set new, take profits, and all that. So this is how it is used effectively. You see that when you have opened a trade, you have set your stop loss, you have set your take profit, but now you move when the trade goes in profit, you move your stop loss from its current price level that you have set it to break even. That is trailing stop. From break even, sometimes when market also moves further in your favor, you move it from break even to a certain level of profit. This is what we call trailing stop. Trailing stop is a kind of market order people don't know, because you are giving the market orders, right? Even when you are in a trade and you have set your stop loss to a particular price level, and you come and change your mind later when the trade is ongoing to increase your stop loss, okay, which is another thing to talk about. It's very bad to do that. You don't do that, bro. Increase your stop loss, move your stop loss to a bit another higher price, right? When you do that, it's still trailing stop. So that's another pending order. That's like also a market order, right? It's an order type in a market, not really a pending order, because that one you trigger it by yourself, right? So that's it. Now let's recap everything in a minute. I've talked about order types. We have market order, which is you going into the market, opening the GBP USD chart. I like saying GBP USD, bro. And then clicking buy or sell directly. Then we have pending orders. With a pending order, we have what we call buy limit. So buy limit is when you know the trend, it's bullish, but you want price to move from its higher state, give you a pullback or a retracement to trigger what a lower price that you have set for the buys to now resume. That's basically how I can explain it for you right now, right? Then buy stop is the trend is in an uptrend, but this time around price is too low that you don't feel comfortable and you want price. You have set an order at a price level that is a bit higher, that you want prices to move from its lowest point, even though it's an uptrend. You want it to move from its lowest point to trigger that stop for market to keep moving higher. We have sell limit. Sell limit is knowing that the trends of the market is bearish, and so but at a particular point when you visited the market is so selling that it's selling at its lowest. That's why we have lower low, lower high, higher high, higher lows in the market to forming a trend. So when you want to sell or the trend is bearish and the market is at its lowest, you don't feel comfortable. You want a pullback. So we reason into these pullbacks and then we create we set a sell limit. Oh, I want it to pull back, but let it hit this limit. And I believe when it hits my limit of this pending order, the sales will resume in the market. And remember that price action in between the lows in a bearish market, which we call pullback, has now turned to a bullish move, but it's a short-term bullish move for the bearish trend to resume moving. Now let's go to sell stop. Sell stop is it is selling. We are in a sell trend. We are creating lower lows and lower highs. But what you want to do right now is that you visited the market and you saw that currently there is a pullback in the market, even though we are in a bearish trend. But upon that pullback, you still, speculate that the bearish trend is going to continue. And so you have set a sell stop. That order that, okay, the sellers will come into the market and they'll start moving. Bearish candles will start printing. And so I'm setting a sell stop at this low here for the market to come and trigger it so the sales continue going. I'll try and use pictorial format for you guys to figure it out. And how to trade from beginner to pro. This is these videos must be followed critically, because when I move you guys to the chart, I will not come back to all of this, right? All I'll be saying is that go and watch this video, go and watch episode. I wouldn't even know the episodes, so do your due diligence so well. So this is how to trade Forex from beginner to pro. This is episode 11. All right, so we'll go to episode 11 pro in the next video. My name is Shora Nixon. Make sure you subscribe. If you are watching me on YouTube, make sure you like this video. If you are seeing this on TikTok, I'm out.